Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's presentation. I'm excited to share with you the topic, Application of ICT. Today, we'll explore how information and communication technology helps improve our lives by providing easy access to information, products, and services. We'll look at the various ways ICT is making a difference in our daily routines and the benefits it brings. So, let's get started and see how technology is shaping our world. Let's take a look at the main areas we're focusing on today. These key points are the foundation of our discussion and will help us understand the overall theme. First, we'll explore the core concepts that define our approach. Then, we'll dive into the specific strategies that support these ideas. Finally, we'll look at how all of this connects to the bigger picture and the goals we're aiming to achieve. By understanding these main areas, you'll see how each piece fits together to create a comprehensive picture. This structure will guide us through our presentation and ensure we cover everything important in a clear and engaging way. Let's talk about education and how ICT has transformed the learning experience. With the use of ICT in the classroom, educators can now present lessons more dynamically, creating engaging audio and video content that enhances understanding. It also allows students to create their own multimedia materials, making learning more interactive and personalized. Reaching out to teachers has become much easier through web-based training, or WBT, which facilitates direct contact and support without the need to be physically present. Digital libraries are another game changer. They give students instant access to vast amounts of information and resources online, breaking down traditional barriers of location and time. Speaking of time and location, one of the most exciting developments is the ability to learn at home or from anywhere in the world. You can now study a course regardless of where you are, opening up incredible opportunities for lifelong learning and skill development. And this naturally leads to distance learning, which offers the flexibility to study at your own pace, on your own schedule, and from a place where you feel most comfortable. This flexibility is especially important in today's fast-paced world, allowing learners to balance education with other commitments. All these advancements highlight how ICT is making education more accessible, flexible, and engaging, perfectly aligning with our overall goal of transforming learning for everyone. Let's take a closer look at how ICT is transforming the healthcare sector. First, we have CAT scans, or computerized axial tomography. These generate detailed 3D images of the body, which are incredibly useful for accurately identifying various diseases. They give doctors a comprehensive view that 2D images simply can't provide. Next, there's the blood sugar testing machine. This device helps quickly determine blood glucose levels from a small blood sample, making it easier for patients with diabetes to monitor their health regularly and accurately. We also have the cardiac screening machine, an essential tool for detecting heart issues. It can identify problems like thinning of the veins or other internal heart conditions early on, enabling timely intervention. Lastly, there's the blood pressure measuring device, often worn as a wristband. It continuously monitors blood pressure, providing real-time data without the need for frequent visits to the clinic. All these innovations highlight how ICT is making healthcare more precise, accessible, and patient-centered. They are integral to our overall theme of leveraging technology to improve health outcomes. Now, let's take a closer look at e-government services and how they are transforming the way we interact with government agencies. First, online bill payment has become much more convenient, allowing us to settle bills through government portals or even in cash at designated locations. This makes managing payments simpler and saves us time. Next, applying for vehicle licenses and renewals is now streamlined. No more long waits in line. You can do it all online. Retrieving government information has also been made easier, giving us quick access to essential data whenever we need it. Furthermore, registering a company can be done digitally, which significantly reduces bureaucratic hurdles and encourages entrepreneurship. For those seeking financial support, applying for government loans online is a straightforward process that supports economic growth. Lastly, for travelers and tourists, providing visa details and custom information online simplifies the entire tourism experience, making travel planning much more efficient. Overall, these services exemplify how digitalization is making government interactions more accessible, faster, and more user-friendly, aligning perfectly with our overall theme of enhancing public service delivery through technology. Let's take a look at how ICT is integrated into various workplaces beyond the typical office environment. For example, in the mining industry, ICT plays a crucial role in prospecting. It helps in identifying mineral deposits more accurately and efficiently, reducing the time and costs involved. In power plants, ICT is essential for power generation and distribution. It ensures that electricity flows smoothly and reliably, enabling better management and maintenance of the grid. Moving on to the telecommunications industry, ICT is the backbone for building and maintaining networks. Without these technologies, our communication systems wouldn't be as robust or widespread as they are today. And in banking, data management is vital. ICT systems handle vast amounts of financial data, ensuring security, accuracy, and quick access for transactions and decision-making. Overall, what we're seeing is that ICT isn't just limited to traditional offices. It's a fundamental part of many industries, driving efficiency and innovation across the board. Let's take a closer look at how ICT, or information and communication technology, is integrated into our daily lives. First, many of us use ICT to pay utility bills effortlessly. Instead of waiting in lines, we can settle our electricity, water, or internet bills online with just a few clicks. It makes managing our household expenses much more convenient. Next, ICT plays a big role in entertainment, especially through online or offline gaming. Whether we're playing alone or with friends, these technologies offer us endless entertainment options right at our fingertips. Online shopping is another daily activity powered by ICT. We can browse stores, compare products, and make purchases from the comfort of our homes, saving time and energy. Reading newspapers has also shifted from paper to digital formats. We can stay updated with the latest news instantly on our devices, making information more accessible. Video calling friends and family has become commonplace, especially for staying connected across distances. ICT bridges the gap, allowing us to see and talk to loved ones anytime, anywhere. Additionally, booking travel tickets or hotel reservations has become seamless through online platforms. No more long queues or phone calls, just a few clicks and our plans are set. As we see, ICT is woven into many aspects of our daily routines. It simplifies tasks, keeps us connected, and enhances our overall quality of life. It truly is a vital part of our modern world. Now, let's take a look at some of the demerits of ICT that we should be aware of. First, addiction is a big concern. It's easy to get hooked on digital devices and social media, which can distract us from real-life responsibilities and relationships. Speaking of social media, it can sometimes lead to unsuitable friendships and relationships, which might not always be healthy or genuine. Another important point is internet security. An insecure use of the internet can make our computers vulnerable to viruses and malware that can cause serious damage or loss of data. Additionally, excessive use of ICT often leads to unhealthy habits, like reduced physical activity, which affects our overall health. Lastly, there's the issue of copyright violations. Sharing or using content without proper permission can infringe on intellectual property rights, leading to legal issues. So, while ICT offers many benefits, it's crucial to use it wisely and responsibly to avoid these potential drawbacks.